What's the meaning of Boca burger? Boca burger. Boca burger.
Boca burger. Boca burger. Boca Burger is a brand of vegan and vegetarian-friendly meat substitute products that are designed to replicate the texture and flavor of beef burgers. These products are made primarily from soy protein, wheat gluten, and other plant-based ingredients. Boca burgers are marketed towards health-conscious consumers who are interested in reducing their meat intake or following a vegetarian or vegan diet. The brand offers a variety of products including original, spicy, and flame-grilled patties, as well as veggie grounds and breakfast sausages. Overall, Boca burgers provide a convenient and flavorful alternative to traditional beef burgers for those looking to reduce their meat consumption.